I'm Sonia. Welcome to my channel. I am a mom of 2 teenage children and I've been happily married over 20 years. And today I'm bringing you 2 recipes that are under 300 calories to give you some different ideas. I know it's January and if you're like me, we're trying to lean up. I enjoyed the holidays with my family, but now it's time to pull it all back in. I have a wedding that's coming up for my sister, so I want to look my best, and I also have my son's graduation, and I feel like I really want to look good for that and just feel good. So today I'm just bringing you 2 recipes, but if you enjoy fashion, food, fitness, and fun, make sure you subscribe, and I hope you enjoy this. Hi y'all, I just want to jump on in and show you what we're having for dinner. Super simple. I just wanted to give you maybe a quick, easy idea of something you can make for your family that's lower calorie and maybe everybody enjoy eating it. So let me show you what I'm making here. Okay, I've taken chicken breast and I have lined my crock pot with one of these crock pot liners. They're really great. Saves you so much time cleaning up. I just put my chicken breast in there, and then we're just gonna pour in probably just about maybe a cup of water, maybe. Just a little bit of water so it doesn't get dried out. I've made this in the Instapot, but I think making it in the crock pot makes it a little juicier. And you just wanna take, I actually use Pace seasoning, Pace pecane sauce mild. You could use mild, medium, or hot. And then just pour it over my chicken. And then I'm gonna add a little more water. Try to make it so that all the chicken has at least some of the sauce or some of the water that's not just sitting on the side. Then, if you are not watching your sodium, I go ahead and put in a little bit of better than bouillon into it. I think it helps taste better. If you are watching your sodium, no big deal, you don't have to add it. Cover your pot, turn it on, and I'm gonna put it on, because it's 11, I think I'm gonna go ahead and put it on high for 4 hours, and then I'm gonna check it. We'll come back in 4 hours and see what it looks like, and then I'll plate it up and show you how many calories it is and how you could serve it. All right, see you later. Okay, last time I forgot to turn on my mic. I had my chicken in here, and it should pull apart. Hopefully I can just do a voiceover. If not, I want to do it this way. And I took it out. Should be like tender, ready to pull apart. And I went ahead and put it in a big bowl and just shredded up the chicken. And then I cut up some onions and cilantro. Then we're gonna come over here and we're gonna actually just get a pan nice and hot, and there's 2 ways you can do it. You can either put a little like canola spray if you want, or you can just put them straight in the pan. I'm using the Mission Street tacos. If you turn it around and look at the macros, I'm not sure if you can, but it's 90 calories for 3 tacos, which are small, or you could pick the bigger ones if you want the bigger ones, and I believe they're 100 calories for 2. So, but I like having the little ones because it gives you, just makes you feel like you have a lot more. So I'm gonna go ahead and heat them up real quick. And if you don't know how to use, if you're using the Lose It or the MyFitnessPal, all you do, just to remind you, is just to scan in your barcode to add it in. I'm just gonna spray my pan real fast and throw in my thing. And the only thing about using the pan spray is I think, one, it gives it a better flavor, and kind of like, you know, more like a real street taco. The only bad part about it is after 1 or 2, you have to wipe it out because it starts turning black. And I probably should have waited till it got a little hotter. It's okay. I'll just go ahead and spray the other side while I'm waiting. And you know what? I'm just gonna do a couple. I should have done that to begin with. And for tonight, I can't remember, but I think I had 3 or 4 allotted. I don't even know where my phone is, as always. But I had 3 or 4 allotted, and I will make sure that I post the calories on here and the amount of protein. I will post it up on the screen. But this is a really good low-calorie meal that's gonna make you feel really full of protein. You'll have all those leftovers. The other thing you could do, instead of putting in the paste, you could just do the chicken base in water, shred it, and then throughout the week you could add different sauces like barbecue, you could do your paste, you could do like anything. You could do a hoisin sauce, any kind of sauce that you might think you might want to add. You could do it with rice. It's really just anything you can think of. Grab a plate. Okay, they're still heating. I probably, if I would have done this and thought this through, would have told you to heat your pan up first a little bit. This wouldn't have taken so long. Heating them up, it's gonna bubble. Actually, it's been pretty good. I want them to heat quite a bit of time because I want them kind of crisp. I like my chicken liquidy, kind of, more show you. My husband likes it more dry, so then he puts it back in a pan and like reheats it, and sometimes he gets it more crispy. I'm not sure if he has oil or not, but might be another way to do it. Let's get it going. Taking a little bit of time. And you just want to keep an eye on them. I wouldn't walk away because these are going to turn brown really quickly. You see how the oil is turning a little dark on the corners? That's why if you're going to do another one for someone else in your family, then you want to make sure you wipe it out. And if you wanted to, you could use also like the old El Paso shells or any of those kind of shells you can buy at the store. There are like 3 shells for 150 calories. You could do those too. These are just, I don't know. They taste really good this way, I think. See, they're starting to turn brown. And that's what you want to, that's what you want. Yeah, starting to get a little bit harder. See, it's not as like, see how that was still moving? It's starting to get hard. And that's what you want. That's the way I like it. You could do it the other way. I think it tastes good this way. So today's Monday. I spent the whole day cleaning the house. It's my cleaning day. I don't know if you guys have cleaning days. What's my cleaning day? This one's starting to get done. Put these out here. Okay. I'm gonna turn off my pan. Come over here and let's make our little tacos. So I'm gonna actually weigh out my meat. I'm gonna turn on my scale. Not sure if you can see it very clearly or not. I'm gonna put it onto ounces because that's how I'm weighing my meat, and I'm gonna zero it out. That's how most of the scales work. You just hit the 0 and now it's down to 0. So I'm gonna take my meat, go ahead, and you'd be amazed at how full these are gonna look. If I get it off, get on my fork, it's okay. I just cleaned the counters today because today's Monday. It's all good. Okay. But here we go. Look. It's gonna actually, so I probably would have made one more taco actually, because I think, but I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do them. I think I would have, and I need to check my phone. Like I said, I think it's upstairs, so. I think I allotted for 4 tacos for 4 ounces. And these are 3 tacos, 3 ounces. So it's about an ounce on each taco. And then I go ahead and add in my cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, I know some people don't like it, but I think it's delicious. Give it a try. Just add in my cilantro and then just a little bit of onions. And that's it. you have a perfect dinner. It's gonna fill you up and super low in calories. I hope you enjoy it. Hi, welcome back. We're here making another healthy recipe for you tonight. It is gonna be a Thai turkey lettuce wrap. I buy my turkey at Trader Joe's. I buy the 99% fat-free. It's at most Trader Joe's. And by the way, it's not expired. I actually freeze mine and then I take it out and de-thaw it, so it's so good. Anyways, I took it out and de-thawed it today. Well, yesterday, been de-thawing. And we're gonna get started. So the recipe I have, I'm making actually 2 pounds of turkey. You can make it with just 1 pound. I'll put it in the description box, the exact recipe, but I've doubled it because I'm making 2 pounds because I want some for tonight and some for my leftovers for lunch tomorrow. So we're gonna step over here. I'm gonna tell you what it is. Normally it's 2 tablespoons of canola oil, but I'm doing 4 because we're doubling the recipe. 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, but I'm doing 4 because I'm doubling it. The same with the brown sugar. The soy sauce, you could use a low sodium soy sauce. I tried it and it didn't taste the same, so I just went with regular, but if you're watching your sodium, you certainly could. Or Trader Joe's sells a coconut aminos that taste really similar. It just makes them a little sweeter tasting, so really that's all you do. So we're just gonna mix this up. Here's our little sauce. This is actually really, really simple recipe. That's all you do is just mix it up. Then we're gonna walk over to our pan, open up my turkey, turn it on about medium. Throw your turkey in there. It says in there, I think it says put a tablespoon of oil. You know, we'll just do a drop. I don't think it's gonna stick, but why chance it? I guess because it has no fat in it. I mean, maybe it'd stick. I don't know. We'll find out here in a minute. I don't think I need to put it in, but I took a recipe, but then I made it my own because I didn't like all the ingredients it had in it. So what I did is I tried to remember to go ahead and write down what I do to a recipe. I don't always, and I have to start thinking about what I did to it. And that's a good thing I'm starting videos so I can just look back. So we're just gonna turn it up and let it cook. While your turkey is cooking, I would get your accompaniments ready, which is shredded carrots. I bought it already shredded. You could shred your own. I mean, if you have a KitchenAid thing. Sorry about that. Our dog just ate dinner. Now he wants to go chase some birds. He's okay. Then we got some cucumbers, and I just cut them up. I mean, if you cut them up finer, that'd probably be better. I was in a rush tonight because I'm trying to get this filmed and trying to get dinner on the table for my whole family. And then I got the butter lettuce. You could use really any lettuce. I like these because they're more like a little, you know, this looks like a little wrap, a little taco. I'm not going to add these on, but if you have the calories, you could add some peanuts on top. I'm not going to show it in the calories. I am going to put it on the screen how many calories this meal is, so you'll have it. Or you could add into your FitnessPal and make your own recipe however you want to do it. And these are just, I used the English ones from Trader Joe's, or organic ones. I think they're a little bit better. But you could use just any cucumber, really. Okay, we are back, and this is all cooked through. It's all white. Boy, it looks like a lot of turkey. It's just gone 1 pound. That's okay. In my mind, I needed all this. I thought maybe it'd shrink more, like when you cook ground beef. I don't know. It's been a while. Okay, so if you were doing just 1 pound, you would do 1/4 a cup. But since we are doing 2 pounds, we're going to take 1/2 cup of this. I'm just going to leave you just a little bit. And you're going to pour it over your meat. And then just stir it in and let it cook in for the flavor. This is not a very hard recipe, and it's not very excuse me, it's not very strong flavor. I think it's more mild, where some people are like, oh, that's gonna be too much of the soy sauce and the rice vinegar. I actually think it's not very strong. So we're just gonna stir it around. And just let it get absorbed all into your meat. See, I'm smiling at the cameraman. Okay. And now I open the door so our dog can go outside and start crying. I don't know what's wrong. I think there's an animal back there or something. There's something back there driving him crazy. Alright, I think it's good. Maybe just let it cook just a little bit more. I'm going to get my stuff and we're going to put these together. Ooh, you know what? Because we have the pan over here, we're going to just do it right over here. Now, I mean, I guess you would let it cool off for a minute. We're pretty hungry because we're on a diet, so clearly I've made dinner a little bit too late. But I'm going to get all our stuff ready. Over here, our meat's finishing up. We're back, and really, our turkey's turned like a more golden brown color. It's gotten nice. I'm going to absorb the liquid. And I think we're just about done. So I'm going to turn it off. And this is all you do. You take your lettuce. Look, we'll even try to make a pretty plate. I don't know how this is going to go, but. And put you some turkey on it. And if you wanted to, I'm not going to do it right now, but I would put your plate on your scale. Make sure you zero it out because we're trying to watch our calories. Try to be, put it on the right one. Oh, this probably shouldn't be here. Let's make sure you zero it out, okay? And then do your meat if you really. But if not, I mean, I think tonight I did 4 ounces of meat for me, so. Oh, it's looking good. I'd probably put one more lettuce in, and then we'll just pretend this is my plate. Because I haven't had that much, do I? And make sure when you put in your meat in MyFitnessPal, you either need to do raw or cooked. So I probably did raw, which is not the right conversion. No, we're just going to leave it for right now because we're just making briefly. I'll take some off a little bit. And then all you do is put a little bit of carrots on top. Make it pretty. There you go. Then I should cut this a little bit thinner. Okay. More thin. Okay. I was hungry. Look. Hunger pains are coming. I was helping some with their homework. I'm hungry. That's reality. Okay. So that's it. And then you're going to take just a drop, or a little more than a drop. We're going to just drizzle it on. That's it. And if you wanted to, like I said, like my son, you know, he needs more calories. He's going to go ahead and put peanuts on his, but that's it. Just give him a little shake, okay? We're good. And that's it. These are so yummy, so filling, and you're going to love them. So give them a try.